Correct. So
It,
now
it,
let me ask you something, Conrad. Do you focus just in one industry, or you can help everybody in every type of vertical?
I can help everybody in any type of vertical.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
I'm obviously I have a lot of experience in disaster claims, home services, business loans, financial services, but I've done work with companies in multiple verticals. You know, things that me personally, I'm a problem solver and I'm a critical thinker.
Mhm.
So the more complicated the problem, the more difficult the solution is to find, the more engaged I will be in the actual work and actually helping you find a solution to grow your business.
That's amazing. All right. So, guys, for everybody listening, you could either be a technician or a businessman. A technician is a person that knows your job, at the job that you just bought into. Because if you're not making money, if your business needs to make money for you to be there, it needs to make money, then you're a technician. If you're a businessman, then you're able to place people in place and be able to leave and still make money. And that's when you come financial freedom comes around. But and one thing that I could attest when it comes down to business lending is that one of the biggest mistakes is that a lot of businesses don't create the right lines of credit or the credit for the business in order to scale the business, because this is why 2 out of 3 businesses go out of business in the first 2 years, because they have no money. They just spend all of their savings, their personal credit cards, and at the end of the day, they need to close down their doors because they can't get any more money to continue their business, even though they love it. So because of this, we know this is what we're trying to do: bring you a business in a box so you could concentrate on what you really want to do while everything else is done for you.